Please click on subscribe button and click on bell icon for more interesting updates on civil engineering concepts.
In this video lecture, I will explain you designing of G+5 building structural model by using ETAP software. So I was already done the modeling process, analysis process for the G+5 building structural model. Initially, I will show you that specification which is related to the G+5 building structural model. Then I will do the detailing process in CSI detailing version software. And if you are not yet subscribed to my channel, please click on subscribe button and click on bell icon for more interesting updates. Let's start our video. So this is my building model. Now we can see I was already done the analysis process. It was done with complete deflection diagram here like this. So initially I will show you the details. So for this building structural model, I was taken M25 grade concrete provision and HYSD bars of 415. Again in the same process, I was taken the beam size which is consisting of approximately 0.23 cross 0.35 for the beam size. Again in the same process for the column section, I was taken the dimensions which is approximately equal to 350 cross 350. Again after this, I was applied the load cases which is related to only the gravitational loading condition systems for the building. So after analysis process completed, we need to assign the grid condition system for the slab. For that we have to unlock the model, click on OK, go to edit option here on the top. Just I am selecting here edit, click on the edit option, add grid strip condition system, click on the add strip condition system. So we have to select the grid strip which is related to X with layer A for the 6th story, click on apply, so that it will apply the grid strip at the 6th story in X direction condition system. Again in the same process we have to apply the grid strips in Y direction condition also. This time selecting Y direction condition with the direction as B here. Okay, so click on apply option so that it will apply the grid strip condition system in the Y direction also. In the same process we have to apply the grid strips for the each and every story here. Next I'm selecting the 5th story X direction condition with the strip layer is A option, click on apply. Again in the same process we have to apply in Y direction condition system also. So here I am selecting the direction will be of Y direction which is related to grid strip of B, click on apply option. So in the same process we have to apply all the grid strip condition system up to the ground story. But here in this video, for saving the time, just I am selecting only the 2 story for the strip condition systems. Okay, so click on OK option. So after this, once again we have to do the analysis process for the building structural model with the considerations of the grid conditions. Okay, for that we have to click on the run structure. Again click on the run structure option here. So it will show you the complete pressure diagram which is related to the building structural model with considerations of the grid strips. You can see here this is the deflection diagram for the building structural model. Okay, so after this we have to design the structure. Go to design option, concrete frame design. So click on the view revised preferences. Initially we had to check whether it is having IS 456 or 2000. Click on OK. After this we have to design the beam sections. Go to design option, frame section, click on the start designing check, so that it will start designing check for the building beam section model which is related to beams and column section, which is nothing but the frame sections for this. Okay, so again in the same process we have to click on the design option, select the concrete slab design section, click on view revised preferences. Firstly we will select IS 456 2000 here, click on OK. Again in the same process we have to click on the design option, concrete slab design section. So click on the start designing option. So it will ask you to select the stories. So here I was taken only the 2 grid condition systems for the strip. So that's why just I was selected 5th story as well as the 6th story. So now we can see it will show you the complete pressure diagram for the 6th slab as well as the 5th slab for the building structural model with the considerations of the load cases. Now we can see this is the grid strip design section for the building structural model. Now we have to save this model by using Ctrl F option, otherwise go to file option, click on the save option here. After this we have to close the ETAP software. Now we have to import this model to CSI detailing 18 version software. So for that we have to open the CSI detailing 18 software here. The CSI detailing software was open here like this. Go to file option, new detailing option here. Select the EDB file. We have to open the EDB file initially. Just I am selecting the desktop which is related to G+5 which is related to EDB file here. So the model will be initially open in CSI of ETAP software, then after that it will be imported to CSI detailing version software. Now we can see here it is importing the data which is related to grid, stories, joints, frames here like this. So after this we will do the detailing. It was imported all the data which is related to the building structure here. Click on OK option if you apply the any error message. So firstly we will select the detailing units option. In this we will select the units will be metric and select the rebar units which is comes under the user. Just I am selecting length of the dimensions of the drawing, just I am considering is millimeter, and select the force will be in kilonewton only, and we have to select the rebar weight will be in kilo weight. Okay, weight in kilogram, and volume will be cubic meter, and rebar length will be in meter. Click on OK and select the preferences here. So here we have to select here, and we have to select the IS 456 2000. Click on OK. Select the concrete rebar rules option here. Okay, so you have to select this option. This is the important in the designing. Okay, so select the slab. This time selecting minimum spacing will be of 500, maximum will be of 300 according to my consideration. Smallest rebar length will be of just I am taking here as 400. Again I am selecting beam section which is related to the minimum and maximum we have to enter here. Just I am selecting here as 50, and this is also 50, this is also 50 here minimum section. Again maximum section will be of 300. Again this is also 300, this is also 300. Just I am assuming here. Column section just I am selecting here as 50 for the minimum spacing, and maximum spacing will be of 300 here. Click on OK for this building structural model. After this, now we have to click on the OK option for the detailing section. So it will do the detailing process for the building structural model here. Now we can see it was done with the complete detailing process for the building structural model of 5-story for the structure. Okay, this is the rebar plan which is related to slab section. So this is the rebar plan which is related to slab section at the top level, and this is the top rebar plan, this is the bottom rebar plan. In the same process you can see the results part which is related to different types of the reinforcement which is exist for this building structural model by selecting these options. And just I am selecting directly a rebar quantities option, so that it will show you the size of the bar, quantity, length, it will show you here. And just I am selecting rebar kg option here, so that it will display the rebar kg for the building structural model which is related to complete reinforcement design drawing for the slab section. Okay, this is the slab section drawing detailing. Again in the same process you can select the 5th story, it will show you the complete reinforcement design results for the 5th story also. In the same process if you had some more stories, it will show you the some more stories reinforcement design results. Now in the same process we have to see the beam reinforcement design results. Just I am selecting here concrete beams option. Just I am selecting elevation section, select any one of the floor here. Just I am selecting beam number CB1. It will show you the complete beam reinforcement design results here like this. So this is the complete reinforcement design results and reinforcement profile for the beam. Just I am selecting rebar kg option. So it will show you the complete rebar kg for the building structural model here like this for the beam. In the same process you can see the results part which is related to different types of the beams. Again I am selecting the column, elevation section, just select any one of the column. It will show you the complete column reinforcement design results for this particular building structural model for the elevation section, section B, section C here. This is the bill of material, and this is the rebar kg option. So this is the rebar kg for the building structural model for the column. Okay, in the same way you can see the results part which is related to different types of the floors here. Okay, so this is the complete process of designing of building structural model by using CSI detailing version software. If you have any queries about this video, please try to text me your questions in the below comment box. Most of the people are asking me how to download this CSI detailing version software. Please text to my mail so that I will give you the link if possible. Otherwise you can directly take my membership, any one of the membership, so that you can get my number. You can text me to my WhatsApp so that I will share you the link which is related to CSI detailing version. Then after that we will install the software which is related to CSI detailing version 18. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you.